then once they hatched, after 75 days, we rear them in captive husbandry conditions, taking a lot of precautions. And once they attain 1 meter length, they are ready for release, and we take them to the creeks and rivers away from human habitation, and there we took up the release program. So you will be happy that gradually the population has built up, and we have released 3,000 young ones, captive reared young ones into the Vitarkanika river systems. And one time we have, all the pools are full of crocodiles, series of pools are there on different age groups. And this is the nest I am going. I told you only one nest we got in the 75. Gradually, maximum 3 to 5 nests we are locating. Entire forest blocks of the Vitarkanika. Very difficult to locate the nest. And these are mound nester, not like the gharial mugger. Usually mugger and gharial, they are whole nesters. And you see the habitat she has chosen the mother. It's the phoenix habitat, hentalo. Two habitats they prefer. One is the acrosticum habitat, kharkhari, foreign species, that is very easy to collect and build more size nest. And this is phoenix habitat, hentalo. And you see the wallow. This is the wallow. This is the wallow. Then you see the clutch of eggs. Clutch of eggs vary from 2, minimum 2 we have got, but that was the infertile eggs, and maximum 70 eggs in one clutch. So this is the acrosticum habitat. You see the arrangement of eggs. Then see that after 75 days of incubation, the hatchlings come out. So what we do, as mother takes care in the wild, we just collect the eggs, incubate, and we just control the temperature and moisture condition. Then 75 days, next once the young ones are ready to hatch, they make a croaking sound. So we just open the nest cover, and one after the another hatchlings come out. This is the feeding. I told you once upon a time we have more than 1,000 crocodiles of different age groups. That was our objective, to how to grow up the population, how to build up the population in the wild. So this was this you see, one in a day, as per the number of crocodiles, size of crocodiles, we bring the food, primarily fish food, and we give them and condition them all young ones. We give the bucket sound, they all will be gathered and they will take food. And here, then we go for a release program. Once they are 1 meter length, where they are ready for release, and we complete certain formalities. We go for skewed clipping because you have to number them. And they take measurement, weight, and keep beautiful record for future assessment. Then they are taken in a moist gunny bags for release. And we take them to our boat. That time only boat was possible, rowing boat, no motor launch. Even I started my entire 12 years, stayed in Vitarkanika with rowing boats, where my crocodile is 18-footer, my boat was a 16-footer. Unfortunately, they don't attack the boats. This is the large crocodile we have. This is a territorial male. We have like this 12 territorial males, and this size about you can assess, but I say about 19 feet plus. 19 feet plus. You see the tail length, you see the head, and tail tip to leg, hind leg, it is almost 50% of the total body length. And you see we have a female white crocodile, locally known as Sankhua, and this is known as Gori. It is named as Gori, and this is she hatched in August 1975, almost 47 years she has completed. She has been laying eggs since 1985, but all the eggs are infertile. We allowed male crocodile, younger 2-3 years younger, she killed 3 males. Another male also, bigger male, entered the pool from wild, but she also the fight. Her white was about to die. So fortunately, she lost, survived, but lost one eye. And in mascot, we have government is very kind. to select this Gori as the mascot in the 15th National Youth Festival. You see the success story. You see our population, this was only 96, 61 sub-adult and 29 adults. Now see the population is building up. And in 2020, 1757, 1760, 80, then 1784 and 1793. Last January census we conducted both day and night, and the population is gradually, slowly growing up, but it is stable population. And here interesting thing I have to say that it is coming to everybody's mind. We have to release so many hatchlings, so many crocodiles are there. It has a lot saturated, but it is not saturated. We are not collecting eggs since 1985. Our habitat is very small. It is not like bigger like the Sundarban. It is only 145 square kilometer national park, which is the core of the habitat where 80% of the population thrive. Rest area sanctuary, they are disturbed habitat, only 15 to 20% survive. So we have stopped collection of eggs, and we are not rearing a large number. Only one cloth we are getting for to keep alive our research technique. This is the story. Because time is limited, so this is the result you see. When I counted the crocodiles in 1967, only 0.87. But a 1 kilometer length you travel, you can see a one crocodile, either a bigger or smaller. But 2013, you travel 1 kilometer in the river and creeks, definitely see 13 crocodiles of different size classes. Then in 75, 76, maximum 3 to 5 nests. That was, we are taking the local tribals, Dalai people, who are helping us for locating the nest. And maximum 200 eggs. Now, there are 120 nests. I told you we are not collecting eggs. Now we can get up to 4,000 eggs. But now nature is taking care of it, taking balance, because a lot of predation of eggs in the wild. There is a lot of predation of hatchlings by wild boar and sharks. So the nature is taking very good balance. Here the highlight just. Sir, I am going very fast. Good. There are 1793 crocodiles, and Bhitarkanika holds 6 crocodiles of 18 to 20 feet. That is our assessment. Last census result. 3 crocodiles are above 20 feet. You can imagine 20 feet. What is the size? 4 crocodiles, they are above 20 feet. Just like 20 feet. Don't take, say 22. It is 20 feet just plus. Females don't grow after certain age. I have not seen a female growing more than 12 feet. Only males grow very slowly throughout their life. So, 20 feet, it is, can we guess the age? It will be 150 years old, the 20 feet crocodile. That we have calculated. So, we have 4 crocodiles of 20 feet, near about 20 feet length, and one is recorded in Guinness Book of World Record, twice. And here I tell, Bhitarkanika earlier was a range, it was a Konika range, it was an Athagoda division, my first DF was Gaurohit Mishra, and later it became a division, and the Konika range, which is most potential range, holds the 75% of entire population. I told you, the habitat is very good. Why? You will tell me why. Because the answer is like this. It is a good mangrove cover. Crocodiles, estuarine crocodile is the indicator species of healthy mangrove ecosystem. Must be a good mangrove cover, good shelter, network of creeks. Lot of creeks and creeklets are there. So they need it, mother need for nesting. Then status of undisturbed mud bank. That is most important because they need basking in winter's time. So less human disturbance. No illegal fishing, that is a must. Illegal fishing will spoil everything. Once there is a fishing, the hatchlings will die, younglings will die, because the fishing net they are spread everywhere. So that has been stopped almost in Bhitarkanika National Park. Not in sanctuary. Sanctuary is still difficult. Hyposaline, less saline, they don't migrate to sea. They prefer in depth of water must be 2 meters at minimum tide. Here I want to highlight Bhitarkanika. Just people, our young friends could know how Bhitarkanya is the potential.
Dr. Sudhakar, please conclude.
Oh, sir. Okay. In comparison to national status, Bhitarkanya, the vertebrate fauna, higher vertebrates I'm telling, you see 80% mammal, 17.7% bird, 9% above reptiles and amphibians. So many things. I am not elaborating. This is the most important plant. We have vivipary germination. You know, animals having vivipary germination, but mangrove plant is having viviparous germination. Next, you see what is the fishing activities still they are illegal. People go for fishing in full moon and new moon days. During particularly high tide, they get a lot of fish. Aquaculture is problematic everywhere in the coastal ecosystem. Bhitarkanya is still a problem, and it should be stopped. It is my request to everybody, to the government, to the forest department, that no aquaculture should be allowed in the Bhitarkanya National Park and periphery area. Encroach of forest land, it was there earlier. You see how people are encroaching. It was up to 76. Now it has stopped. Illicit collection of firewood is still going in some extent. Grazing of cattle, people have practiced to leave the cattle into the forest for grazing. Hunting of wildlife, stopped, checked, but still people have crazy to go for forest to kill something. Then here another thing, sir, 2 minutes, sir. Full-time research officer, here I appeal to each one of you, because after our retirement, 3 researchers, then no research officer is appointed, 4 posts are lying vacant, and in each protected area, particularly potential protected area like Bhitarkanya, Thimilpal, Chilka, Satkosha, a biologist must be there. When we retired, and our friend Chandrasekhar is left, retired, and he is no more. So I think, mତେ ପୁର୍ଣ୍ଣାହୁତି ପଡ଼ିଗଲା ଭଳିଆ ଲାଗୁଛି ମୋତେ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚରେ ଆଉ ହେବ ବୋଲି ଜଣାପଡ଼ୁନି। ତେଣୁ ୱେଟଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ ଭେରି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ପାରାମିଟର। Training of wildlife, frequent training to staff is needed, because young boys are coming, young forest staff are coming recruited, they should know. And ex situ we have stopped. Very rarely we are going for in situ. Nature is taking very good balance. And involvement of local people, that is very important. Initially when you initiated a project for hatchlings, people did not cooperate with us. They did not supply us fingerlings or live fingerlings or any prawn. So we had a lot of difficulty. They were against us. We have a lot of meeting. But later they convinced. Now the people are prosperous. They can see jeepable load, bus is flying, electricity is there, they have, tourism is getting, there are a lot of money. People are very resourceful now in that area. They are very, very happy. That happens. But if there must be involvement of local people. Unless you, here another, this plight of this one, we have the beautiful potential habitat. Mangrove habitat is being lost for prawn culture. That is still happening. But with this, even also Honorable High Court has ordered, people are still happening. Our forest officers are fighting a lot to stop it, but still there is a problem. Okay, sir, thank you. Very much. Sir, sorry, sir.
No.
Thank you very much. I thank our two organizations, Nature and Wildlife Conservation Society and our friend.
Sudhakar, we'll have 1 or 2 questions from the audience. Anybody?
I thank everybody and the forest department. I owe to forest department all the staff. My friend was boat maji, forest guard, forester, and ranger officer, and all the. I started my career with the Sipalji, then CCF. Now up to date, I am working also after my retirement. Anything?
Any question, please?
No, not now. Not now. Because 2 factors were working that time.
No, Panigrav, what do you want to know about illegal settlements? I think you tell very clearly impact of illegal settlements.
Yes. Carrying capacity, you see, I have told you just now, Bhitarkanya, the 75% hatchlings, earlings, juveniles, they are fragile population. And our population, you see, only 70% is now fragile, because their survival rate is very few. You know that out of 1,000 eggs, only a pair reach to adulthood. So there is 30% is sub-adult to adult. Only 300 we have adult and male and female. But our carrying capacity, it can accommodate for another 20, 30 years, no problem. If you give protection to the habitat, another interesting thing.
Sudhakar,
Ma-
please tell if any carrying capacity study has been done which says this is the carrying capacity of Bhitarkani.
No.
Any numbers, if it has not been, it's okay.
Sir, it can, my study says it can accommodate 1,000 adults.
Okay, so we are at 30% level.
One side, yes.
What is the population now?
What is population only for 300?
So we are at 30% level
Yes.
in terms of carrying capacity.
You don't calculate about the young ones. They don't survive. They are killed by a lot of predators.
I
and
know
business.
you are very much excited to talk about this is one of the greatest success stories of Odisha, but then we have limitation of time. Thank you very much for
Thank
your
you, sir.
efforts.
Thank you.